NFT Collection Maker. Unlimited traits, deep rarity setting and damp. Not available anywhere else. Multi-image traits. Generate massive crypto NFT art collections automatically with TTC AI tech and damp. Have them ready for sale with as little effort as humanly possible. Deploy your NFTs on Ethereum blockchain right from the dashboard. Results are not typical. You may get worse, better, or no results at all. Not financial advice. Info about NFT collections sales is just a report on what happened. World's #1 NFT collection maker app with TTC AI technology. Generates thousands of arts for collections. Programmatically verified artwork uniqueness. Customize and damp. Deploy your NFTs Ethereum contract right from the dashboard. Cloud app, nothing to install. As easy as it gets to use. Includes free software updates. Highly optimized Ethereum NFT contact. Lowers NFT minting gas fee up to 60%. Founders special deal. Get NFT collection maker now. Ranking screenshot taken September 26. Sneaky vampire syndicate case study. There are many collections on OpenSea with reported secondary sales much bigger than that. For example, Sneaky Vampire Syndicate, which also released a few weeks ago, reached secondary sales at 13,000 ETH within about a week. 5% from 13,000 is 650 ETH or almost $2 millions, just from secondary sales of Sneaky Vampire Syndicate. It is a pretty cool addition to well over $1 million from primary sales if you ask me. Results are not typical. Not financial advice. Ranking screenshot taken September 26. There is very little about art collections. Sales in the mainstream news. I bet that you haven't heard anything about those collections in the news, exactly the same way you have not heard about all the others. If you are following crypto Twitter artists and influencers, you may have heard about some of them, but in general all those sales are happening under the radar of the mainstream media. Some of those collections have surprisingly very basic art sales in 5th grader could make. The even crazier thing is that some of those collections have surprisingly very basic art, including many collections with art that a 5th grader could easily make after school. So it is not about the art details, but rather about the basic idea behind it. Many of the sold-out collections are just animals, or characters dressed in Halloween-like costumes. Last 30 days sales of the top NFTs on OpenSea. Ranked by secondary sale volume from which passive royalties are calculated. Results are not typical. Not financial advice. Ranking screenshot taken September 26. You are not trying to compete with other collections. The beauty of the business of selling art collections is that you are not trying to compete with other collections on the leaderboard of popularity. Your goal is as simple as keeping your collection open for sales until it is sold out. Of course, nobody can promise that art from your collection will actually sell. You may sell nothing at all, simply because it depends on interest in your NFT art and your own effort. NFTs are the fastest growing sector of blockchain. On the other hand, the fact is that NFTs are the fastest growing sector of blockchain with top consumer brands. The main problem people have is the technology which is required for both generating a collection of 100% unique pieces and creating its own custom NFT Ethereum app, called a contract. Ask yourself, could you make thousands of art for sale manually? Very unlikely. Even if you could and decide to spend months on manually creating it, how would you ensure that all of the art pieces are 100% unique, and none of them is the same as the other? It is practically impossible to do manually. Agencies are charging an arm and a leg. This is why agencies creating those collections charge an arm and a leg for their service. When we contacted one of those agencies, and asked how much it would cost to create a collection consisting of thousands of works with an Ethereum contract for it. The answer we got was that it would cost us 4 to 5 ETH just to start, and then 20% of all the money from our sales, plus 1.5% of our NFTs sent directly to their wallet. And then agencies charge even more. On top of that, we would have to wait in line for over a month. It did not sound affordable to us at all. With the ETH costing $3,000, it would cost us $12,000 to $15,000 just to start, and then, given that we managed to sell out $200,000 more, plus 1.5% of our NFT collection on top. If you think the price they are asking seems insane, you are probably right. Last 30 days sales of the top NFTs on OpenSea. Ranked by secondary sale volume from which passive royalties are calculated. Results are not typical. Not financial advice. Ranking screenshot taken September 26. We thought there had to be a better way. Introducing. Very straightforward process. Before we explain exactly what you get after you sign up, let's first dive into the straightforward process of having base art created. If you are an artist or somebody who can draw at least a simple doodle, you can make the art for the first step by yourself. If you are not an artist, but are able to use websites like Fiverr, you can have your base art created without you actually doing anything else but describing how you want the art to be done. NFT Collection Maker lowers your cost as much as possible. For example, the super cool art collection you saw in the NFT Collection Maker demo was generated from a base art made by a part-time freelancer hired on. While it will not cost an arm and a leg to hire a freelancer to make your base art, it will not be free either. NFT Collection Maker was designed in such a way that it will lower your freelancer cost as much as possible, because the graphics designer only needs to create parts of the art, and then software will automatically combine these parts to make the entire art collection. The coolest demo you'll ever see. Consider making your first collection smaller. Just 3,000 art pieces. Also, if you are new to the collectible art business, and want to save even more on freelancer work, we suggest making a smaller 3,000 art collection, which requires less base art variations. Let me be clear, if you do not want to spend any money on base art creation, and you are not inclined to make the base art by yourself, the NFT collectible art business is not for you. Due to the fact that without a base art, NFT Collection Maker will not have anything to work with. Go ahead and become a part of new NFT economy. On the other hand, if you feel like what you heard so far makes sense, and you want to go ahead and become a part of that new economy, we will make hiring a freelancer as easy as possible, give you a ready-to-use project template, and the exact info on how the base art must be prepared. Because your base art will be unique, that would translate to your entire collection being completely different from anyone else using the NFT Collection Maker. NFT Collection Maker uses advanced TTC AI technology to not only create, but also programmatically verify artwork uniqueness, which is a must for NFT art collection. Host the entire collection of thousands of art images for your NFTs completely for free. After your collection is generated, you need to host those images somewhere, and here again we have the great news for you. We will show you exactly how and where you can host the entire collection of thousands of art images for your NFTs completely for free. Yes, you heard it right. You will pay nothing at all to host those images. You own Ethereum NFT token contract. NFT Collection Maker app also includes Ethereum NFT token contract you can customize right inside the app. So-called Ethereum NFT token contract is what allows you to turn art images into the NFTs on the blockchain. The things you would need to enter to customize your Ethereum contract are as simple as the names, the description text, link to where images are hosted, and the price. Last 30 days sales of the top NFTs on OpenSea. Ranked by secondary sale volume from which passive royalties are calculated. Results are not typical. not financial advice. Ranking screenshot taken September 26. Detailed step-by-step tutorial videos. After your names, description, and price are in, all that is left for you to do is to put your contract on the Ethereum blockchain. To do that, you will simply copy-paste your edited contract text into an easy-to-use free web app, set a few settings, click a few buttons, and be officially an NFT art collection owner. We will provide a detailed step-by-step video showing all the steps from copy-paste to clicking the final deploy button. Just copy-paste by button. After your NFT art collection is generated and your NFT contract is put on Ethereum blockchain, your collection is all prepared to be sold, but you still need the ability to actually sell it from your web page. You need to have a web code, which allows people not only to buy your art from your web page, but also instantly mint the art they purchased to the blockchain right after they paid. While normally creating such a code is a complicated step, the NFT collection maker makes it as easy as it gets. Access pass to the secret alpha group. As an NFT collection maker user, all you would need to do is to copy-paste the ready-made code from your account into your web page and you're done. Last but not least, your membership is also an access pass to the secret alpha group, where you can not only share your collection, but also discuss with others everything related to NFTs, including hot new trends to jump on, and under-the-radar top NFT drops. The sooner you join the NFT collectible art craze, the sooner good things can happen for you. The crypto art market is projected to keep growing, with consumer brands and movie industry spearheading the mainstream adoption. With Coca-Cola, NBA, Disney, Marvel, and countless other top brands releasing their own NFTs, the mass adoption is right behind the corner, accelerating, and when it hits like a 100-ton truck, you could be very well positioned with a collectible art business already running. Plus, you can forever keep collecting passive royalties from the secondary market sales for every collectible art you sell. It is clear that the sooner you join the NFT collectible art craze, the sooner good things can happen for you. Special limited time early adopters price. We're going to give you instant access to NFT collection maker for a special time limited early adopters price. That means that if you get access today, you are getting both an instant massive savings and grandfathered access. Once an early adopter's special ends, we plan to charge significantly higher prices to cover all the costs related to the heavy computations needed for TTC AI to do its job. TTC AI technology is light years ahead of the competition. NFT collection makers' TTC AI technology is light years ahead of the competition, and all updates are included, so you can always have the latest version. This is why you can be confident that whatever progress happens over time, you will get access to it. Your access will be created immediately and you will find everything waiting for you inside. What people are saying about NFT collection maker. Comments from before official release. Access pass to the secret alpha group. If you see this bonus box, your membership is also an access pass to the secret alpha group, where you can not only share your collection, but also discuss with others everything related to NFTs, including hot new trends to jump on, and under-the-radar top NFT drops. Current launch offer ends in. NFT collection maker is backed by a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Founders special deal. Explaindio. NFT collection maker. 1 NFT art collection. Create 1 NFT art collection. Up to 7,000 art pieces. Customize and damp. Deploy Ethereum contract. 60% lower gas minting fees. Full 1-year access. Step-by-step training. Fast and damp. Friendly support. Sell generate art as NFTs. Only $47.